In this video, I'm going to summarize a piece of news posted in the New York Times about airlines increasing their fees for check bags and how I pack in order to travel with my carry-on and my personal item only. Hi guys, Rosana here. Thank you for joining me today. This is a space where we talk about traveling, history, and money. Right now, this channel is going through a makeover in order to include more topics such as learning Spanish, English, topics about speech therapy, health, and more. If you like this information, if you are interested in these topics, be sure to subscribe to join our community and learn more about these topics. So first, I'm going to summarize the New York Times article. Then I'm going to show you how I pack in order to not to check bags. And finally, we are going to build or expand our vocabulary in Spanish with target words that I selected from today's topic. So the article says that JetBlue, United Airlines, Delta Airlines, and American Airlines have increased their fee from $25 to $30. And many more airlines are going to do the same. They said that the cost of fuel and labor have increased lately. It says like only this year, 2018, it has increased in a 30% amount. So they are trying to keep up by increasing the cost of check bags. And also, for example, United is going to introduce a fee for the seats that are closer to the front of the plane. For the seats that are like in the first part of the plane. So they say this is news. We already know that lately everything has been increasing a lot, not only like regarding airlines or traveling, but in everyday life, like the price of rent, the price of groceries, medical insurance, everything has been increased. The price of the internet, like everything has been increasing lately, not the salaries though. So what I will say is that the only way not to pay that fee is by traveling with as less things as possible. I always travel with my carry-on and my personal item only. Sometimes I do check a bag, but that's the bag that I can check with the price of my flight. So no extra fee. However, I only do that when I go to Colombia, so I carry one empty bag, like the big one, to buy stuff there and bring here, and in the other bags, my things, my stuff. That's like the only exception. But most of the times when I travel like for vacation, I only go with my carry-on and my personal item only. One way to do that is by planning my outfits. So I'm going to show you guys what I pack for a 2-week trip. This is all I pack. These are all the clothes that I pack for a 2-week trip. So I'm going to show you what I plan, how I plan it, and like everything. So I'm going to take it from the back here. And so this is it. So I am before packing, I think about what I'm going to wear. So I choose 2 bottoms from solid colors, like in different colors, 1, 2, and the one that I'm wearing when I'm traveling. So that's 3 bottoms. And I carry 7 shirts from different colors too. Shirts are these ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the one that I'm wearing when I'm traveling. And I pack 2 dresses just in case I want to go dancing or something, and I need to wear a dress. So 3 bottoms, 7 shirts, that's 21 outfits plus the 2 dresses, that's 23 outfits or choices or options of outfits or outfit ideas for 14 days. So you have 23 options that you can like choose and like combine and mix up for 14 days. In addition, sometimes I buy something over there, so that gives me even more options. And as you can see, this is like very little. This is all I pack, and it's amazing not to carry like heavy bags and big bags and to worry about a lot of things. Of course, I know that this is not going to work for everybody. It works for me. I'm just sharing it because maybe it could be helpful for somebody else. But you have to be a minimalist in order for this to work for you. And I'm going to make another video showing you guys like the full, like my bag with everything else that I pack. These are only like all the clothes, but in addition, like I pack a book, I pack shoes. So in another video, I'm going to show you guys like the full packing process. So guys, let me know what are your tips for packing lightly, for packing smarter, and for avoiding the fees for checked bags. So before we go to our Spanish lesson, I just want to thank you for stopping by today, for watching our videos. I just want to remind you that if you are not part of our community yet, be sure to subscribe, hit like, hit share, and comment, so we can like grow, our channel can grow and reach more people, and we have like more opportunities to interact, to network, and to learn from each other. So now let's go to our Spanish lesson. For this section, I have invited my boyfriend to join us. My brother and my sister are in Colombia right now. So Raymond, thank you for joining us today.
Thanks for inviting me. I'm excited to practice my Spanish today.
Yes. So let's go over our words. So the first word is aumentar.
Aumentar. Aumentar.
Yes. Let's write it here. So in this case, we need to practice a little bit the U sound. So it's aumentar.
Aumentar.
Perfecto. Great. Okay, let's go over the next word. Tarifa.
Tarifa.
Perfect. Maleta.
Maleta.
Empacar.
Empacar. Empacar.
Empacar, yes. So, do you know what aumentar means?
Aumentar. No.
It's like raising, like increasing. Tarifa?
Tarifa's tariff. Toll.
Yes. Fee, price, yes. What about maleta?
Maleta, suitcase, luggage.
And empacar?
Pack.
Yes. This video is your listening practice. For reading, I'll send you guys a PDF. For speaking, we'll practice by video call once a month through Skype or Zoom. So email me also for details about it. And for writing, the homework is in the comments below. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you want more information about this, you can check Howdini's channel and Lavendaire's channel. The links will be in the description below. Also, I'll be posting soon a video that I titled My Technique to Pack in a Quick, Easy and Organized Way. So it's going to be in our channel, in my channel, in the following weeks. So guys, thank you so much for watching and see you